let's work with organisations who are kind of really pushing the BAME agenda and who are really trying to get blacks and Asians and Chinese through the door in the corporate comms world, because there isn't enough of that.
Although you have the person inside your organization, the culture of your organization is such that they are excluded. So bringing people in is one thing, but how they assimilate in is completely another.
Where I come from is that inclusion and diversity is the domain of let's make the world a nicer place. And we all agree with it at that level. My point is not that. My point is we can make more money. And we can make more money through better ideas and doing things better.
Definitely let us look into diversity and inclusion as one important way of us have the competitive advantage in the things that we do, and then also to bring some refreshing light in our agencies in terms of talent, in terms of skill, in terms of understanding, in terms of experience, and also to be able to get to understand the audience much better.